right, you guys, so now we're actually putting a brow on the truck. Let's see. I'm gonna try to straighten that end up just a little bit. All right, because you don't want any fingers is what they call them in the tint world here. You guys didn't know I tinted windows too, huh? Let's see. Do I need you to do anything? You're probably good for a minute. All right, so you guys kind of see up there. It actually looks pretty good. I think the way this windshield's made, it causes it to have more curve here. So I'm trying to straighten that up really and kind of get it to where it's straighter across. But it is supposed to be curved anyway.
Further down this side?
It might be. Let's see. All right, so that may take some of that angle out of it, some of that curve. So I took a little bit out just then. So now we'll have to like work it back from that other side. Do you want to pick it up with me real quick? Yeah. And just do that all the way, go towards you now. All right, so now we kind of reset it, I guess you could say.
Mine's a lot further down than yours.
Yours is? Oh, it is actually. Let's see. Oh snap. I was trying to fly away. All right, so your side's a lot further down. It's a lot better.
Still a little bit farther down over here.
Now let's just go to the other side. You can kind of see it. So you see in the middle right there, it's kind of, yeah, got that wrinkle. I'm about to fix that. Okay. Now we're just gonna, so you just kind of watch it. There we go. That should have done it right there. How's that look? Good? Okay. Just kind of spray it up here. You want to spray it because you will be cutting it. So let's see. There you go. All right, so this part, you're just basically laying it down to get ready to cut. So that's what I'm doing right now. And it's super windy. A lot of people wouldn't have really attempted this, but I went ahead and tried it, which I had a feeling that we could get it done once we got all the excess tint cut off. I gotta hurry, it's starting to sprinkle. All right, will you shine your light? We gotta hurry. Okay, I'm trying to beat the rain. It's like sprinkling. It's sprinkling right now. All right, go ahead. All right, hold up, hold up. It didn't cut right. All right, keep on going. Let me know when we get to the rearview mirror. We're here. Just hang on. Go down the mirror. Yeah, like that. There you go. Keep on going. All right. Yeah, we're just gonna do a two-piece brow. So we can go ahead and get rid of that. Let's see, I'm gonna kind of cut it like that. Always pull away too, you wanna pull that way. Here, don't get in too much of a bind. You may wanna come up to this side, that way you don't have to. I'm gonna recut this. I kind of got a little crooked there, but this part you don't have to be perfect on, so it should be okay. I just kind of got in a hurry because of the rain. So now I'm gonna see if I can't get the outer layer off of this. There we go, look at there. Perfect. Now we got to be careful with this end because we really need some soap on our hands, honestly. Hang on. So I'm just basically sticking it back down using the back of the knife here. Now let's see. All right, because we don't want this to fly away, because if that flies away, then we're done. All right, let me see that soap. All right, now I want to get a little bit on my hands here. A little bit here. Just in case we touch the tint, which we are going to have to. But that way we don't get any fingerprints on it. I'm going in with the tint now. This is going to be the nerve-wracking part because, yeah, it's so windy. I need you to grab it once you get in.
I need to do this.
Let me slide, get in it. Okay, now I'm going to kind of put mine up here.
My hand's dry.
Okay. Nice and easy. Don't want to crease anything. Let's see.
There it is.
Now that's gotta, you need that card. All right, I got that other piece. It already looks like we got the brow on, but that one's on the outside. It's about to rain. Tucked in there. Look at that. All right, now we can kind of adjust where we want it. So about right there. Kind of go by our cuts. Okay, now we should be pretty good there. I'm gonna kind of lightly like tack it down, sort of. Let's see. I really need to be using this side. Now I'm just kind of lightly going through, because then you don't really want to be rough on this part, because you may end up creasing the tint, and if you do that, it's just it's bad. We got a little piece of trash in there. Oh, we got it out. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and get the other one on the outside, because I can do the rest from in here. I'm literally tinting right now, and it is so windy. I don't know how I'm doing it. Look at the paper. Kayla didn't think we were gonna be able to do it, which I don't blame her, because I honestly didn't really think we were gonna be able to, but. All right, just kind of hurry, because we gotta hurry up and get the other side out, squeegee. You don't have to saturate it, but just get it decently covered. All right, now we're just gonna grab this like this. I'm gonna hold it tight. Correct it, or like hold your end. Okay, I need to go with mine. All right, there we go. Up there like that. Now I kind of cut. All right, that's got to be squeegeed. Here, we can do everything from the inside now. This can leave marks on everything. All right, so we can go ahead and squeegee everything now. So we're gonna go back to this side. So this is where we first started, and kind of look at everything once again. And I think we got everything right, like how it needs to be. So now we're just gonna squeegee up top, get all that out. This is probably the most satisfying part of doing tinting. Let's see. Brows, I'm actually really good at doing brows, and I'll say that with confidence, because yeah, I don't know, they're my favorite. Brows have to be my favorite. There we go. Looking pretty good now. Now you got to be careful doing it the way I'm doing it right here, because if there's any kind, if the tint gets stuck or something, you can crease it. So you really want to pull. What was that?
Nice.
So you really want to pull like this. This is the way you want to do it. But I just kind of do it like this, because I don't know, I've been doing it for a while, so I can kind of tell when it's about to crease. All right, that across there. Okay, now, gonna do this side. Does it look pretty good to you?
Yeah, it looks